Today in this video, I'm going to teach you about how to use the alignment guides and position features in Canva as you are adding different elements to your presentation. So this is a great way to just organize and make sure that your presentation looks or your document looks professional. And for those of you who are perfectionists, this is a really handy tool that will make those designing steps very, very quick. So to start with, I'm going to come to my Elements tab, and I'm just going to add in squares for this. And normally I would search for squares, but since it comes up the one I want in my lines and shapes, I can go ahead and just click on that 3 times, and I'm just going to add in 3 squares. And as I am clicking and dragging, you guys can already see these pink lines that start to show up. So I just want to center these in the middle of my slide, and you'll see now that there's a pink line that goes all the way across my document. But then there are also pink lines that are showing me that that block is lined up with my second block. So now I'm going to take my third block and do the same thing, where I'm looking for that line across my page, and then I'm looking for the line on the top and the bottom, telling me that my objects are perfectly lined up. So it makes it very simple to align and put things in the place where they look clean and they look organized. The other thing that you can do is use our position feature, which is over in our workspace. So click on one of your elements and then come up to position. When you click on position, number one, you can move things forward or backwards. So this is how you do layering. If you want something to overlap on a different one, you can bring that element forward or bring the other one backwards. But we're going to talk about the aligning. So if I want my shapes aligned in the same way that I just had them, I can also do it with the position feature. So clicking on my first element, I'm going to select that I want it in the middle of my document. Now I'm going to come to my second, go back to position, and I want it aligned to the left and then in the middle. And then I'm going to go to my third square, go back to position. I want it aligned on the right and in the middle. And I can't select middle because it is already in the middle. So you'll notice once you have something in a position where it's currently already aligned to the page, you can't select those options anymore. But this is a super easy way to make your documents look clean and professional.